Hello all, myself Jyotikala, pursuing BTech final year in the stream of ACE. I really thank MSG Technologies for providing this 1 month internship for me. Explaining about my project Microoven, let me tell about the embedded systems what I learned in this 1 month of internship. What is embedded systems? As we know that embedded systems is a combination of both hardware and software devices used for performing a specific task. There are so many real-time examples in our day-to-day life. Example, washing machine, microwave, router, etc. There are many types of embedded systems. Some of them are standalone embedded system, real-time embedded system, network embedded system, mobile embedded system, and hybrid embedded system. Among all, real-time embedded systems are more basic and the real-time embedded system are divided into three categories: hard real-time system, soft real-time system and firm real-time system. Let us know about the memory types in the embedded systems and their arrangements. There are three types of memories in the embedded systems: RAM, random access memory, ROM, read-only memory, and hybrid memory. Furtherly, these memories are divided into subclasses. RAM, ROM, hybrid memory are divided into these types. Here I am mentioning some of the requirements of the embedded system. When we are doing a specific task, we have to consider these requirements in our project. We have to know about the reliability, cost effectiveness, code optimization, testing and debugging, processors, micro memory, and operating systems, time to prototype, safety unit, cost, time to market. As we know that embedded systems are built up by microcontroller and microprocessor. The mentors teach very well about microcontroller and microprocessor. Here is some of the differences of microcontroller and microprocessor. A microcontroller is a controlling device wherein the memory and input and output component are present internally, whereas in microprocessor, these in-memory and input and output components are connected externally. Microcontrollers have more number of registers, whereas microprocessors have less number of registers. Microcontrollers are called as heart of embedded systems, and whereas microprocessors are called as heart of computer systems. Therefore, in microcontrollers, the circuit complexity is less. In microprocessor, the circuit complexity is more. In this training, we are used some of the tools which help in embedded programming or MPLAB, XID, PICSIMLAB, XCS compiler. Here is a pin diagram of PIC simulation PIC16F8744778. It consists of 40 pins, and we know that PIC simulation is a bidirectional port. It consists of size of data bus is 8 bits. It consists of 5 ports. Single pin can be connected multiple tasks. Corresponding data direction register is TRIPS for port B. Directional control register also there. As we know, the toggle switch is mainly used in the PIC simulation is to switch off the mode of the operations. Here we use the toggle switch. The purpose of toggle switch is to switch the mode of operations in PIC simulation. As we know, there are interrupts in every device. As we know, the interrupt is a signal emitted by a hardware or software when a process or an event needs immediate action. In embedded systems also, there are internal and external devices which uses the interrupts. The internal or external devices request the MPU, the processing, the MPU acknowledgement the request, attends the request, goes back to the processing where it was interrupted. There were internal sources to interrupt to active the interrupts are built-in peripherals and external sources onboard interrupt. The interrupts are classified into two types. One is hardware and another is software. In hardware and it further divided into maskable and non-maskable handling of interrupts. Handling of interrupts can be done in two types. One is interrupt through interrupt vector table and another is interrupt service routine. There will be a timer also available in the PICSIMLAB, that is resolution, pickup, count or down count, quantum, scaling, timer 0, timer 1 and timer 2. These are the timers are in PIC simulation. Here we discussed about the LCD display, liquid crystal display, CLD. This means character liquid crystal display. It is used to display ASCII characters. It consists of 16 interfacing lines, 8 data lines and processing time delay method or polling method. Now, going to the main project explanation, let me give the contents and introduction of the project. A microwave is a kitchen appliance, an electric oven that heats and cooks the food by exposing of electromagnetic radiation in the microfrequency range. It is one of the good examples for the embedded systems. It interfaces with external environments by means of several sensors and actuators. And coming to the block diagram of the main project, here is the block diagram of the project. Here is a magnetron which gives a supply to the micro oven, and there will be a heater, steam, fan for the cooling purpose. There are many sensors and drivers which control the process of the microwave oven. It is a brief explanation of the block diagram. Now let us look about the working process of the microwave oven. A magnetron takes electricity from the power outlet and converts it into a high power during cooking. The magnetron blasts these waves into the food compartment through a channel. Hope you understand. Now, what are the software used in this project? Mainly we used MPLAB XID and PICSIMLAB for this project. Here we go through the architecture of the PICSIMLAB lab. Here there will be a GPIO pins, general purpose input and output pins, I2C protocol, RTC, erasable RAM, and temperature sensor, unlock the digital converter. These are some of the communication protocols, LEDs, buzzers, digital keypad and matrix keypad. There will be a display. These are some of the parts that are present in the microcontroller, PIC microcontroller. Now let us see the simulation part of the project. Let us see the embedded programming of the code. Here it is gone through main.c. The program was written clearly and we got that output is loading completely and built-in load. So now let us see the simulation part of the code. Here we go through the project simulation part, the micro powering oven. Now let us start by pressing 1. It will be power on and we have to set the time. So first of all let's set 5 seconds and we go to start, enter and it will be rotating. If you want to stop or resume or pause, the time will up. And let us try the next mode of the microwave oven. Now go to the grill mode. I am pressing 2. Let me take 9 seconds. Then I am pressing enter. Yeah, it will be running successfully. If I want to pass, I may pass it. Yeah, it was passed. And to resume, we have to press 4. Yeah, we saw that it will be successfully completed. Next, go to the another mode that is convection mode. I'm pressing 3. I am giving temperature like 29. I am pressing enter. Yeah, it seems to be preheating. If you want to stop this, then we stop X. Then it will be stopped. If you want to clear data, it will clear. So we sort all types of modes in the microwave oven. I hope you all understand about the different modes of the microwave oven in PIC microcontroller. Now let us see the applications and some advantages and disadvantages by my another teammate, Mr. Ramakrishna Reddy. Further will be continued by my teammate, Mr. Ramakrishna Reddy. Thank you.
Hello, myself Ramakrishna Reddy. Currently, I am pursuing my engineering degree from Electrical and Electronics Department at Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge and Technologies, Idupalpaya. I would like to thank EMERTXE Information Technology for giving opportunity to present this internship on embedded systems, and also thankful to the mentors and our teammate is Jyotikala. So let me explain the internship project. I would like to explain about applications, advantages, disadvantages, and conclusion. Before going into it, I would like to give brief introduction on microwave oven. Microwave oven heat food using microwaves, a form of electromagnetic radiation similar to radio waves. Microwaves have three characteristics that allow them to be used in cooking. They are reflected by metal. They pass through glass, paper, plastic, and similar materials. Then, coming to applications, baking and cooking. Microwave oven is a very versatile kitchen appliance that offers a whole range of uses. Microwave oven can be used to reheat and cook food, disinfect kitchen items, make citrus fruits juicier, heat beauty products, roast garlic, and decrystallizing honey. Now, advantages. Microwave oven cook food faster than conventional ovens and won't make a mess in the process. Reheat food instantly quickly. Helpful for health conscious people. Microwaves also ensure that you will never burn your food again. Microwaves are also very economical and energy efficient. Volumetric heating process, user interface, and precise control over the cooking temperature. Now, let's discuss about disadvantages. Cost of equipment is high. Unsafe microwave dish will set off a chemical reaction between the food and container. Exposure to high level of microwave can cause a painful burn by heating of body, tissue, cancer. It is not advisable to stand in front of microwave as it is harmful while cooking. Radiation it emits is dangerous. Even plastic used in microwave cooking is dangerous as it emits bisphenol, which is also again very harmful. It is more dangerous for cooking baby food. The next is about conclusion. In this project, we conclude that microwave processing technology required to learn and understand. Microwave is a kind of electromagnetic radiation with wavelength ranging from roughly 1 meter to 1 millimeter and frequencies ranging from 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. Microwaves are widely employed in modern technology, including point-to-point communication lines, wireless communications, etc. Microwave will update according to technology, and most likely candidates for future production scale applications will take full advantages of unique characteristics of microwaves. Microwave is a kind of electromagnetic radiation. So this is my complete covering topics about applications, advantages and disadvantages and conclusion. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you for all for giving this opportunity. Once again, I thank MSc Information Technologies for providing this valuable internship. Thank you.